The artichoke journey starts with a resilient seed, a biological architect designed for temperate climates.
These silver-green leaves are specialized for capturing moisture from the mountain mist, a unique trait of the artichoke plant. At the very heart of the plant, a single stem rises, bearing the most complex flower bud in the vegetable kingdom. Nature is a geometer. The artichoke bud grows in a Fibonacci spiral, creating a perfect protective shield for the tender center.
The leaf structure of the artichoke plant is a natural irrigation system, feeding the developing artichoke bud below.
The central artichoke bud grows to the size of a large orange, its color a vibrant, deep green with purple accents.
Strength meets tenderness. These tough outer bracts protect the legendary artichoke heart hidden deep inside.
At this precise moment, the artichoke bud is at its peak of flavor and nutritional density, just before the flower opens.
The purple tint is a signal of maturity. The chemical complexity within the artichoke bud is now fully developed.
The energy of the highlands is now captured within this geometric masterpiece. The artichoke heart is ready.
From a tiny seed to a silver-winged giant, the journey of the artichoke is a triumph of biological art.
The geometric heart has reached its zenith. This is the essence of Genesis motion.
If unharvested, the artichoke bud reveals its true nature, a stunning purple bloom that attracts pollinators from afar.
Every artichoke bud in the field is now at its peak state, looking like a collection of green and purple jewels.
Genesis of the geometric heart is complete. Experience the power of the artichoke.
The silver-gray foliage of the artichoke plant provides a sophisticated, professional contrast to the deep green buds.